As the sands of time shifted, the fragmentation of the Islamic Empire ushered in an era of diverse dynasties, most notably the Fatimid dynasty in Egypt. This transformation was not merely a change of rulers, but a fundamental alteration of the political landscape, setting the stage for future complexities. Amidst the power struggles and political turmoil, Salahuddin emerged as a beacon of resilience. His unwavering persistence, despite encountering numerous setbacks, encapsulated the very essence of leadership. This human aspect of his journey resonates through the ages, earning him admiration and respect that transcends time. However, the rivalry that simmered between the Sunni and Shia factions, with the Abbasid and Fatimid dynasties at the forefront, had lasting implications on Middle Eastern politics. This enduring conflict shaped allegiances, influenced governance, and left scars that would echo through the centuries. In this ever-evolving political landscape, the Zengid army's strategic maneuvers demonstrated the critical importance of timing in military operations. Their adaptability not only showcased military prowess but set the stage for Salahuddin's ultimate success, highlighting the interplay between strategy and opportunity. Salahuddin's innovative approach to warfare, employing tactics like feigned retreats and clever deception, revealed his profound understanding of both the terrain and the psychology of his adversaries. His capacity to adapt these strategies was not just a testament to his military genius, but a crucial factor in overcoming significant numerical disadvantages. Yet, the political dynamics shifted dramatically following the death of Shiru. This created a power struggle in Egypt, illuminating the complexities of leadership during periods of transition. Salahuddin's subsequent nomination as vizier was a clear indication of the trust placed in his capabilities to navigate such turbulent waters. Beyond the battlefield, Salahuddin's commitment to social welfare became evident through his efforts to establish hospitals and educational institutions. This dedication not only enhanced the quality of life for Egypt's citizens but also fostered a more educated society, reflecting a ruler who understood the broader scope of leadership. Meanwhile, the rapid suppression of rebellion served as a crucial lesson for Salahuddin regarding the essence of strong leadership and loyalty. Through these experiences, he forged a trusted inner circle, a vital component for effective governance amid the chaos that surrounded him. Confronting the Crusader invasion, Salahuddin displayed remarkable military acumen. His ability to adapt tactics and strengthen defenses underscored his strategic brilliance, effectively safeguarding Egypt from external threats while maintaining a delicate balance of power. However, the administrative challenges loomed large. Salahuddin's reforms, which included revising tax codes and rooting out corruption, were undertaken to secure vital revenue and bolster local leadership support. These changes were not mere adjustments, they were foundational for his long-term vision of governance in Egypt. As he prepared for a joint military campaign against the Crusaders, the fragility of the alliance with Nuruddin became apparent. Tensions escalated following Salahuddin's return to Cairo, foreshadowing a breakdown of trust that would shape their future interactions. In the wake of Nuruddin's death, Salahuddin seized the opportunity to consolidate power in Egypt. Yet, this pivotal moment also raised critical questions about his next steps against the Crusaders, revealing the intricate interplay of principle and political strategy that defined his leadership. Salahuddin's audacious journey through enemy territory stands as a testament to his tactical genius. His ability to reach Damascus before the opposing forces not only showcased his strategic foresight but was vital for maintaining his influence in this contested region. As internal power struggles unfolded in Syria, Salahuddin faced formidable challenges, including betrayal from rival leaders and the lurking threat of the assassins. These complexities were not mere obstacles, they were significant hurdles on his quest for unification and regional stability. Despite facing overwhelming odds during the battle against the Zengids, Salahuddin's tactical positioning revealed his military acumen. His remarkable adaptability allowed him to turn the tide, achieving a significant victory that would echo throughout the region. The Abbasid Caliphate's recognition of Salahuddin as Sultan solidified his authority and independence from the Zengid dynasty. This acknowledgement not only enhanced his political legitimacy but also empowered him to mint coins, effectively establishing his identity as a ruler within the annals of history. Yet, challenges loomed large on the horizon. Salahuddin faced the dual crises of drought and the pressing need for peace with the Crusaders. This moment of respite provided him with an invaluable opportunity to stabilize his governance and consolidate his empire in preparation for future confrontations. As the specter of assassination hung over him, Salahuddin recognized the constant threats to his power. This prompted a swift enhancement of security measures, showcasing his resilience and strategic thinking as he worked to maintain control over his territories. In his initial campaign, Salahuddin boasted a formidable army of 26,000 soldiers, including elite Mamluks, showcasing his military strength before the battle began. Nevertheless, strategic miscalculations, such as leaving enemy fortresses unattacked, illuminated the complexities of warfare and the cost of oversight. Meanwhile, King Baldwin IV, despite the hardships of leprosy, rallied his forces. With only 7,000 soldiers, he valiantly took the battle to Ascalon, challenging Salahuddin's larger army. His audacious decision exemplified leadership under adversity, playing a pivotal role in the ensuing conflict. Yet, after facing defeat, Salahuddin grappled with a morale crisis among Muslims and the looming threats from competitors in Syria. Nevertheless, he managed to regroup, regain his confidence, and eventually pushed back against the Crusaders with renewed vigor and strength. In a turning point for his strategies, the significance of capturing Jacob's Ford became unmistakable for Salahuddin. By denying reinforcements to the Crusaders, he effectively weakened their position, reshaping the dynamics of the ongoing conflict. Salahuddin's ingenuity was further highlighted when he devised a plan to dig a tunnel to undermine the castle's defenses. This innovative tactic illustrated his ability to adapt and reformulate strategies in warfare, showcasing the brilliance of his military mind. Following the victory at Jacob's Ford, Salahuddin turned his attention to building a formidable naval force. This decision reflected a level of strategic foresight that acknowledged the importance of both land and sea warfare in countering the Crusaders. When the challenges emerged in taking Mosul after a protracted march, they highlighted the inherent difficulties of military campaigns. Salahuddin's strategic retreat to gather strength exemplified his tactical mindset, showcasing a leader who prioritized long-term success over immediate gains. In a shocking display of desperation, the Crusaders launched an unexpected attack on unsuspecting Muslim pilgrims. This brazen act revealed the lengths to which they would go to undermine Salahuddin's authority, intensifying the escalating tensions in the region. The power dynamics in the region shifted dramatically following the deaths of key leaders in the Crusader states. This opening created newfound opportunities for Salahuddin, as he deftly consolidated power in Greater Mesopotamia, marking a critical turning point in the ongoing conflict. Amidst the chaos, the personal connection Salahuddin felt regarding the political tensions surrounding the Crusader raids intensified his resolve to liberate Jerusalem. This urgent desire added a profound layer of determination to his campaign, propelling him forward. Under Salahuddin's command, the Muslim army meticulously prepared for the impending conflict with the Crusaders, strategically gathering troops and resources. Their collective aim was clear: to achieve a decisive victory in this historically contested region. The Battle of Hattin became a defining moment, showcasing Salahuddin's tactical superiority. The devastating impact on the Crusader army not only led to the capture of key leaders but also resulted in the iconic retrieval of the True Cross. As the siege of Jerusalem commenced, Salahuddin approached with careful assessment of the city's defenses. He orchestrated a focused attack on a vulnerable section of the wall, employing a strategy that involved encircling the city and using arrows to weaken the resolute defenders. In this moment, Salahuddin extended an olive branch, offering generous terms of surrender to the Christian inhabitants. He ensured their safe departure, allowing them to take their belongings, a testament to his desire for a peaceful resolution, prioritizing principles of mercy over revenge. Post-liberation, Salahuddin embarked on a mission to restore Islamic features in Jerusalem while simultaneously respecting Christian sites. His actions resounded with a commitment to tolerance and coexistence, demonstrating his understanding of the complexities inherent in a historically contested city.